Okay, some common questions are there here related to always on. 2019 availability group, we can see here, means what are the features are there, means we have seen up to 9 replicas are allowed, and some other options are there here, we can go. Okay, some of the tasks here that you want to look undertaking in secondary replica, we have seen we can do some of the tasks. Okay, we have seen what are the tasks we can do in secondary replica. We can take backups, we can schedule. Okay, in the same way, we can check the health of databases also here in secondary replica by using. Generally, remember this health of, if we check health of the database, remember, generally it takes some space in log file. Sometimes it will increase the log file. That's with that problem we are avoiding. It should not increase the log file space in primary replica. So that to avoid that problem, we can check here, we can use this command in secondary replica. Actually, we have to see this. Check DB found 0 allocation errors, 0 consistency errors. Okay, no errors are there. You can say like with the no info. Okay, so like no errors are there, otherwise it will display the error. Okay, the same way we have some direct reading is there. Still similar to mirroring, still we can create a database snapshots also. Means what if the client is saying don't want to provide latest data, I don't want to provide latest information, so I want to provide till last day, here. Okay, till last day I want to provide. Okay, so in that case, remember, like we can go to database snapshots, still we can create snapshot. Okay, how many availability databases can be added into availability group casing? Means actually there is no limit, but Microsoft is saying they have tested with 100 databases. Okay, how many automatic failover and synchronous modes here? In general, it depends on version to version. In 2012, two automatic failovers. Why? Because how many synchronous modes are there? Those many automatic failovers. 14 to 17, 3 are there. In 2019, we have at 5 automatic failovers. Since we can maintain 5 servers with the automatic failover option, like in synchronous mode. Okay. How to do manual failover in availability? Okay, so we have some different options are there. From failover cluster manager also we can do manual failover. See, this is our failover cluster manager. We have some under roles, our availability group name is there. Just right click, move, select node. See, right now server 1 instance is acting as primary replica. We can make server 2 instance as primary replica by saying okay. One option here. Okay, next step through always on availability group failover option. We have to, if you right click on the always on availability group in primary replica, see failover option is there. Okay, so that is like a second option is that we have seen we'll get the wizard actually. We have seen previously also. Next, yeah, only 1 second is there. Okay, I want this as primary. Next, yeah, we should have admin privileges here in that secondary. Next, finish. Payload is started. Third one we have seen through command also we can do here. Alter availability group name failover. Actually, remember this command we have to run in the secondary replica. Why? Because here one to many feature, right? which secondary replica you want to make as primary. In that secondary replica, we have to run this command. Okay, yes. But in mirroring, we actually just will run this failover command in principal server. Why? Because only one mirror, right? But here, in which secondary we have to make as primary, in that we have to run this command actually. So this command we can use here if it is in asynchronous mode. For example, here I will go to right now, failover success. It is saying right now this is our secondary. Okay, this is our primary replica failover success. Okay, now remember I want to make this as primary again. Go to this secondary, run this command. Our failure group name is a test SQL 8099. Test SQL 8099. See? Okay, okay. We have to run this command here in master database success it is saying. Again, it becomes a primary replica. Yeah, this has become secondary, but yeah, sometimes secondary may take time, no problem. So the semester can we create multiple listeners for always on availability group he is asking. We can create actually, but see from SSMS we can create only one listener. If I try to create, it is saying already listener is, see, the availability group already has a listener, right? So that's why what we can do, if I want to create multiple why? Because for each application you can provide separate credentials actually. So right click on the availability group name, add resource, client access point. Here, here we can provide the name and virtual IP. We actually every listener has a name and IP. Like I said, we can add the extra listeners from failover cluster. How to connect through listener? Already we have seen yesterday. Listener name slash group name, comma port number, or listener virtual IP, comma port number. How to configure backups in availability group configuration? We have discussed. How to add file? We have seen in the previous session. Whenever we add extra data file, it is automatically added to secondary replica database also. We have seen that only condition is that same path must be there. Okay, yeah. This is like if the respective path is not there, we have to manually take backup, log backup. Manually, we have to restore by mentioning the path actually. Okay, yes. These are just some common questions are there in always on. We'll see again in next session. Some common issues will be related to always on, which are very